Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E7 Power and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the name of the app, the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap the open button to open the app and here click to OK. And now we could see here, tap to consent, we could see now here the information about my battery temperature, and in my case that's 27.1 degrees. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.